All right, this is for the film production class, Video Studio Fundamentals. That would be um, A3 and B1. This next project we're going to start on is either um, going to be a school promo or a commercial. I'm going to assign these based on difficulty, and honestly, uh, I would like to have some good finished products to show on the news, and the ones that are highest priority here on our list are going to be assigned to students that have shown they can turn in work on time that is of a high quality, because I've been asked to create these by other people in the school, and I want to make sure they get done. So we have a family night coming up, and that's on December 4th, I believe. Um, and during Freshman Showcase, or leading up to Freshman Showcase, it's really useful to have videos promoting each of the academies. And we are in the middle of basketball season, and wrestling season is about to start. I picked these three sports because they're the ones that actually draw spectators to come. So these are the higher priority ones, basketball and being a little bit higher. After that, we are going into commercials, and a cinematography promo. It's also a little bit less priority. It's to have one directly for our pathway, and then some commercials for our morning news program, True North, and some commercials for the other pathways, the engineering and the two computer science pathways that Mr. Hanna teaches. So let's go over what this actually looks like. All right, I'm looking at a spreadsheet from Student Television Network, and they created this, and they're showing all of the descriptions of the contest categories they have for this school year. So one is commercial. So here it is, Sell It With Style. Students will develop a 30-second promotional video for an original product, service, brand, or concept. Okay. You can continue reading here, and it'll be on the assignment as well. So you can do this by live action, animation, or graphics, but it must deliver a message that is clear, creative, and compelling. The rubric I give you is going to require that it has video in it. So you can definitely incorporate animation and graphics in there, but the bulk of it should be a video, live action video. Next up is down here, school promo. Bring the energy and show off what makes your school stand out. It's fast-paced, visually exciting video. So it says, think of it like a hype video that gets people fired up. Should focus on emotion, visuals, and momentum rather than selling or advertising a product. This is going to require a higher level of editing. So think like hype video, quick edits, maybe timed to the beat of the music that you incorporate in there. So, things that kind of get you excited. And this is a 60-second project. So let's go to the assignment on Canvas here. We're going to sign these out. I'm going to make the assign date the first day after we finish watching our Horror Fest films. I want these all done before we go home for Thanksgiving, and we can start using them as soon as we get back. So success criteria, high quality, clear video that uses different camera shots and smooth editing. The commercial is going to have a clear message, a strong hook, and effective pacing. Promo is going to have high energy, dynamic, emphasizing emotion, visuals, and momentum rather than selling or advertising a product or service. So it's going to be kind of selling the idea of whatever it is rather than like the details of it, the clear message. And it's going to have a, pushing more of the emotions than the clarity in the message. For examples on the commercials, just turn on your TV and start watching commercials. Things that you see that are trying to sell you things, you can make a commercial that looks like that. So the reason this is in the film class is if we're kind of simulating a production company with our film class, and most of what we've been doing are short films. Did I unplug my mic there? No, it's still in there. All right. Imagine we're a small production company and I am the executive producer. So I have clients that are asking for video products, and we're going to put together small production crews, and you guys are going to be the creative leads and also the production crew and the editors. So you're kind of assuming multiple roles in a small production company. And some production companies do all that. Some production companies have a single owner and some part-time employees or a lot of freelancers that one owner uses. And, even if this is, if you prefer working on films or you have a desire to pursue filmmaking professionally, a lot of times people working in film work on a feature film, maybe some people like once a year or once every other year, and sometimes depending on the budget of that feature film, that could be enough work to get you to the next one. But most people that work in film also do commercials, also do music videos. They do videos for websites, and they work on as a crew for reality television, and all kinds of other videos. So this is the bread and butter for a lot of people, even if you know them as filmmakers. This is what's paying their mortgage. This is what's putting their kids through college, making commercials and promotional videos for clients. All right, so first, you are going to research your topic and create a plan, create a creative idea. This link takes you to that spreadsheet, and we're going to assign those in class. And multiple people are going to maybe get the same assignment. So visualize your shots and sketch them out. So that's a storyboard. Then we're going to have the production part of it where you go out and film. And for the promo, this is going to be a big part of it, the editing. This is going to be a little more intense than your previous assignments. And commercial, depending on what your idea is and how complicated your idea is, this could be as simple as the assignments that you've been doing, or you could step it up and make it more complex. These are the examples. This link takes you to STN. And here's the examples of school promo, and we're going to watch some of these in class. And right under it is commercial, and we're going to watch some of these in class too. So this will get your creative juices flowing, and then we will assign them out. Let's preview the rubric. Okay, you're going to be graded on your production quality. And, steady camera movements, intentional camera movements, good lighting, good sound, all the elements of good production, editing, a variety of shots, text, graphics, natural sound, dialogue, all used together to enhance the message. Transitions, so how you put the clips together, things that are cut on action, um, good sound levels again in the editing part. So message effectiveness. So target audience is FDHS students. Promo might actually be FDHS families as well. Maybe the parents of freshmen that are going to look at this at our programs as well. So clear and supported by. So that's for PSA. I'll edit that out. And then contest rubric. So for your commercial, the main things that are different than the normal grading rubric is you for the contest, you want a sharp, memorable concept with strong and intentional messaging. That's for the commercial. It's captivating, strong hook, and tailored to the target audience. Visually inventive and stylized. Every shot feels deliberate. So this is directly from the rubric for commercial on STN. And again, this is the wording they have for the promo. High energy, dynamic, contagious excitement. Purpose is crystal clear. Theme is creative and inspiring. Excites, motivates students, teachers to attend or engage. So there you go. I think this will be a fun project to do this fall, and I can't wait to see what you guys create.